Welcome back, everyone. We're diving into some of the most powerful lines from Sri Hanuman Chalisa today. Whether you have been feeling lost, looking for strength, or seeking a bit of divine wisdom, this is the moment for you. Even if you're unfamiliar with the language, I'll explain each line in a way that will resonate with you. So let's understand the first four lines of the Chopai. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, Jai Kapis Tihu Lok Ujagar. These lines open with immense praise for Lord Hanumana. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. The phrase Jai Hanuman is a call of glory, recognizing him as an ocean of knowledge and virtue. When we say Gyan, we are talking about more than just facts or information. This is the kind of deep spiritual knowledge that brings us true wisdom. And Gun refers to Lord Hanumana's virtues, his qualities of courage, humility, loyalty, and strength, qualities we all aspire to. Sagar means ocean, symbolizing the infinite nature of these qualities in him. It's like saying that no matter how much you draw from his wisdom and virtues, there's always more to gain. The next part, Jai Kapis Tihu Lok Ujagar, speaks of Lord Hanumana's role as the leader of the Vanaras, the divine monkey army. Kapis means leader of the monkeys, and Tihulok refers to the three worlds, earth, heaven, and the underworld. Hanumana's influence isn't just confined to just one realm. He shines across all three worlds. Ujagar means he illuminates these realms with his presence. His light guides, protects, and uplifts no matter where you are or what challenges you face. Now, moving on to the third and the fourth line of the Chopai. Ram Doot Atulit Baldhama Anjani Putra Pavan Sutnama. These lines describe Lord Hanumana's incredible strength and his divine origins. Ram Doot means the messenger of Lord Rama. Hanumana's entire existence is dedicated to serving Rama, carrying out his messages and missions. Atulit Baldhama refers to Lord Hanumana as the abode of incomparable strength. His strength isn't just physical, it's spiritual, mental, and emotional. Atulit means beyond comparison. No one else possesses this level of power. And Dhama means he is the very home, the source of this strength. The next part, Anjani Putra Pavan Sutnama, beautifully reveals Lord Hanumana's divine lineage. Anjani Putra signifies that he is the son of Anjana, who embodies purity and unwavering devotion. Anjana, a celestial being, prayed deeply for a divine child, and her devotion was rewarded when she became the mother of Hanumana. This isn't just a symbol of a mother's love, but a reflection of the sacred connection between pure devotion and divine grace. Pavan Sut refers to his father, the wind god Pavan or Vayu. It was Pavan who played a crucial role in Hanumana's miraculous birth, blessing him with divine life force. From his father, Hanumana inherited his incredible swiftness, boundless strength, and the unique ability to be present anywhere, all at once, qualities that make him not only a protector but an unstoppable force of nature. This divine parentage shows that Hanumana's birth wasn't an ordinary event. It was orchestrated by cosmic forces, making him the perfect guide and guardian for all who seek his aid. Together, these four lines remind us of the limitless strength, wisdom, and protection that Lord Hanumana offers. He is the ocean of knowledge, shining through all realms, carrying out Lord Rama's divine work with unmatched power and devotion, and his origins, rooted in both purity and the power of the wind, make him a force that can lift us up, no matter how heavy the burdens we carry. Whenever life feels overwhelming, remember that Lord Hanumana is always there. His wisdom and strength are available to guide you through even the darkest moments. Reach out to him, call upon his name, and feel his energy help you rise above the challenges in your life. If these words touched your heart or gave you a sense of peace, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need a little extra strength today. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. See you in the next video where we'll uncover more from the sacred verses of the Hanuman Chalisa.